This is the Ala F7 IV. Long story short, a friend of mine is getting married soon and is also starting med school, so what better way to memorialize this momentous occasion than to build her a mechanical keyboard that she'll use every single day. So I went with the Ala 7 V because it is honestly a pretty good budget option for mechanical keyboards. So for anyone who's there getting started with their own mechanical keyboard and just wants to try something out without breaking the bank, this is a great pick. The keys are pretty good right out the box, they're pre-lubricated, but I wanted to take this a step further. So we are going to actually modify this keyboard just to give it a bit more of a personal touch. We have some blue crystal jelly keycaps here, which are going to really just elevate the game here. The existing keycaps are fine as they are, but we wanted to make this extra special. We're also using the Durock Seaglass linear switches here. We had to order 3 packs because we needed enough switches for the entire keyboard. I think there's 80 keys on this keyboard and 2 packs was just almost not enough, but we're going to make this work. So these switches are really nice. They come in these awesome colors. They're slightly transparent. They're great for having LEDs. And basically they're already pre-lubricated and all of that, so we don't have to do much work here. We just have to take off the keycaps, take off the switches, and swap in the new switches and add on the new keycaps. I remember the joy of discovering mechanical keyboards for the first time through my friend, and I have always used mine since then. If you want to see the video of me building my own personal mechanical keyboard, that is on my channel as well, so check that out. And if you are a subscriber and you've seen the other videos on my channel and you're wondering why is this video kind of edited pretty simply without many effects and all that, it's because I switched my entire process from using Adobe to using Final Cut on an iPad. More on that in a future vid. For those of you who care about tech specs, the Durock Seaglass linear switches are 5-pin. They can be modified to be 3-pin, which means you just kind of snip off the extra plastic. They bottom out at 62 grams and they're made fully of nylon and UPE. You can tell why they call them Seaglass switches. The multicolor, the transparency, it's like something you'd find washed up on a shore. They're really pretty. Honestly, the keyboard community has revolved around getting these expensive keycaps. Those are really great and they release in small batches, but these Amazon keycaps are really putting in work here and they look so good and they kind of have that unique feel because of that double layer plastic that just makes it look very glossy. This thing sounds so good, I almost kept it for myself. I think this build just proves that you don't have to spend a lot of money to get into having a nice mechanical keyboard and enjoying the feel of typing every single day. You could do it for much cheaper than what I did when I built my keyboard. There's also a bunch of lighting modes here. I'm just going to speed through them all just so you're not sitting and watching 10 minutes of just me changing the settings, but here you can just get an idea of what the Ala F7 V offers. We're going to hand deliver this keyboard all the way from New Jersey to Denver, Colorado, so let's see if she likes it.
Where's Apple? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you can open it now. Yeah, you need to clear this desk up. Okay, first of all, let's get this out of the way. Okay.
Check that.
Oh my god. To sleep and get ready for tomorrow.
Okay, get rid of all this. Get rid of all this.
Oh, beautiful.
Do the clickies?
Click it.
Yes.
Oh. Did you just get chills down your spine?
I did.
Nice creamy.
The switches are linear because you requested linear. Do you remember what that means?
No. Click when you press it down.
You just hear the clack when it hits the bottom.
It also has RGB.
Okay.
Ooh, it looks so perfect if they saw that.
Oh yeah. What about?
Ooh, butterfly. Can I put it somewhere?
So open that.
He said just trust.
Trust the process.
Yeah, like that, and pull up. Pull apart. It's okay. It'll hit and move. There you go.
You broke it. Engineering.
Yeah. Yep. Give it a nice push. You can be firm with it. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. There you go.
Butterfly.
Now it's personalized.
I'd call that a success. Subscribe for more.